Welcome to our lesson on commercial arithmetic. In this particular lesson, we're going to look at brokerage. We're going to look at discounts and hire purchase. Okay, now brokerage is another form of payment that a person offering a service charges. For example, a company may be selling insurance, and they'll engage a middle person or a middleman, a middlewoman, a person who will be able to sell the insurance policy on their behalf, and that person can be an individual or a firm that is specialized in selling the insurance policy. So what that person would charge is a fee that is commonly called a brokerage. And like we have mentioned already, most of these charges are normally interpreted in terms of percentages of a fee. All right, so we can, for example, say if an insurance broker charges 3% on a policy. Okay, let's say an insurance broker charges 3% on a policy of insurance that they sell. Normally this fee is not charged. This brokerage is part of the fee that is given on the amount which the customer pays. So the amount that the company will receive will be less by that percentage of the broker. All right, so in this example, if the brokerage is 3% of an insurance policy, and the broker sells policies worth $100,000. Okay, if the broker has managed to sell insurance policy worth 100,000, then what will be the brokerage or the total earning from that transaction? This is straightforward. It simply means we are getting 3% of the 100,000. Which means the broker is going to receive 3,000. The fee which will be paid to the broker as brokerage will be 3,000. So now there might be other calculations depending on the agreement that the broker has with the company. but the idea of brokerage is simply an amount that is put on the fee for the service that is being offered. In this example, we are calculating 3% on the policy which is sold, an insurance policy which is sold to a customer. And so if the broker manages to sell insurance policy worth 100,000 kwacha, it means the broker will receive 3,000 kwacha in that particular transaction. Then if we look at discounts, discounts are also calculated in the same way, either in terms of amounts or in terms of percentages. For example, if we say a car is being sold at 80,000 kwacha, then the customer negotiates for 2% discount. Then how much exactly is the customer going to pay for the car? So again, we need to interpret the 2% of the price. So 2% of 80,000 this will give us okay, 1,600. So what the customer will pay for the car will be the actual price of 80,000 less the discount, because a discount is a deduction on the actual price, whether it is negotiated or it is offered as part of product promotion, which means in this case the car will now be sold for the car will be sold for 1676. The car will be sold for 70. Okay. 80,000 less 1,600. Okay, so the price for the vehicle, the discounted price for the car will be 78,400. That is a translation of 2% discount on the price. Then hire purchase is a way of buying an item by paying a particular deposit of its cost and then paying the balance in installments. All right. So normally what happens is that the actual price in terms of cash payment of a given item will be lower than the hire purchase price, because the hire purchase price attracts an element of interest on the price. So let's say we have a TV set which can be bought either on cash for 4,000 kwacha. This is the cash price. If you have the 4,000 kwacha, you get the TV set. but there is an option of paying 2,000 kwacha deposit, which means you now want to purchase this on hire purchase. So you pay 2,000 kwacha deposit, and then you pay in installments 200 kwacha times 14 months, which means you, after collecting the TV set, after paying the deposit, you collect the TV set, and for the next 14 months you'll be paying 200 kwacha. So what will be the difference? What will be the hire purchase price, and what will be the difference between the cash price and the hire purchase price? So we can analyze the hire purchase price by saying the hire purchase price comprises, that's the hire purchase, it comprises the deposit plus the installment. So the deposit is 2,000 kwacha. The cash deposit is 2,000 kwacha, plus the amounts that need to be paid every month. In total, 14 of these payments. So this gives us 2,000 kwacha plus 2,800. So the total hire purchase price is 4,800. All right. So if we compare the cash price and hire purchase price, we'll find that there is an interest that is raised through selling the same item on hire purchase. In this case, an interest of 800 kwacha. So that is normally how we calculate hire purchase. Of course, we can always rely on specific details of the transaction and be able to calculate depending on what information is available. So in this case, our analysis will be that the hire purchase price is higher by 800 kwacha compared to the cash price for the same item.